Let's unclog this toilet in under 2 minutes. The first things first is you gotta have the right plunger. This is not the right plunger and is designed for sinks. To have the best chance of unclogging your toilet, you're gonna want a flange plunger. This flange will help create an airtight seal against the toilet bowl. There needs to be liquid in the bowl for the plunger to work properly. Remove the tank lid, slightly lift up on the handle to add some water to the bowl if needed. Careful not to lift the handle too far, which will cause the toilet to flush and the bowl to overflow. Place the plunger in the bowl on an angle. This will purge the air from the plunger. Firmly press the plunger against the toilet bowl opening without depressing the plunger just yet. Stand over the toilet for leverage and we can now begin plunging. Without allowing the plunger to lift away from the toilet bowl opening, plunge straight down and back up, with some force on both the up and down strokes. Remember, you're not pumping up a bicycle tire. Plunge like this thing owes you money. After multiple plunges, lift the plunger away from the toilet bowl opening in one continuous motion. This is the best plunging technique for a blockage caused by toilet paper and waste. If you weren't successful, repeat the process. Common mistakes include an incorrect plunger. Look at all the air escaping from the plunger that has a poor seal against the toilet. Second is allowing the plunger to lift away from the toilet on each stroke. What a mess. Well, I hope you were successful in unclogging your toilet, and if this video helped you out, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.